The iPhone 16 series pre-order has begun, and if you can pre-order right now, you might be among the few people that will get it on that release day, which is September 20th, 2024. I did, pre-register for pre-order, which many people did, but at the time it opened up, the website was so busy, I couldn't get in, I was being logged out and all that, and other people complained about that. And by the time I could get in and do my pre-order, I saw the delivery date and I was like, what? No way, no way I'm getting my iPhone on 7th to 14th October 2024. I mean, as a content creator, what's the need? Everything is all gone and done. Of course, but if you just want to use your iPhone, you can still pre-order, and check out your delivery dates. Most people pre-ordering now wouldn't get the 20th September, but there's a way out. So that's why I'm making this video, to show you there's a way out. So right now, you can go to your career website and pre-order for the iPhone 2024. If you're on Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, whichever career you are on now, you can go to the website and pre-order. And if you're not able to do that, you can also go to Best Buy right now. You will even have option to also pre-order for careers from Best Buy. So that is the way to get your iPhone, to be among the first people that will lay hand on the iPhone. Unfortunately for me, I wanted to get from Best Buy, and then I realized that Best Buy does not have a pre-order for international unlocked. So I cannot, use Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T. So I am stuck, looking for other opportunities. So I'm going to drop the link in the description for places where you can, pre-order early. So make sure you check it out and see whether it's available in your own area or country or wherever you are watching from. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon, because I'm going to keep updating this video, and I'll do a follow-up, to give you my story, how I ended up with the iPhone. Either I ended up with iPhone 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max, or I must still have to stick with this iPhone 12. It's already on iOS 18, so I must still have a year or two left in it before we do. So let me hear from you in the comment section. Are you getting? Have you pre-ordered? Have you gotten your own? What is your delivery date? Is it coming on the release day, and all that? Let me hear from you in the comment section. And if you have any other thing, a link, any area you pre-order or you can get it, drop it in the comment section. Let everybody see it, and more people can take advantage of that. Do share this video. It might actually be interesting for somebody out there. And until I see you in the next one, it is peace. Subscribe. I'll see you.